Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file BIR Form 06190 online. This form is for remitting expanded withholding taxes for the first 2 months of a quarter. You'll need to access the Bureau of Internal Revenue's online system. Ensure you have your tax identification number and your Revenue District Office code ready. This initial preparation is key for a smooth and accurate online submission process. Before you start, gather all necessary details about the taxes you've withheld. This includes the specific amounts, the month and year of withholding, and the correct alphanumeric tax codes, or AC. For example, if you withheld a 2% tax on a professional fee, ensure that amount and the corresponding ATC are accurate. Having these figures, like a $1, 000 withholding or a 5% rate, organized will prevent errors during data entry. Once you're logged into the BIR's electronic filing system, select Form 06190. Choose the correct month and year for which you are remitting the tax. Carefully enter your withholding agent's name, address, and other required background information. Then, input the details of the taxes withheld, ensuring each entry matches your prepared records. Remember to save your progress frequently as you navigate through the form's sections. After filling out all sections, conduct a thorough final review of your BIR Form 06190. Double-check all figures, especially the total tax remitted and the alphanumeric tax codes. Make sure there are no missing fields or incorrect entries. Once you are confident in the accuracy, proceed to electronically submit the form. Always save or print the confirmation receipt as proof of your successful filing and remittance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.